a lot of things has happened on the last days. In particular, the prosecutor of the International Criminal Court sending to the court warrants against Netanyahu and Gallant and 3 leaders from Hamas. That's an important decision from the prosecutor, and I want to say that we have to respect the work of the International Criminal Court. We have to respect the work of this institution and let the court, without intimidation, to decide what they think about this initiative of the prosecutor. Unhappily, it's not the case. The prosecutor and the court has been strongly intimidated and accused of antisemitism, as always, that everyone does something that Netanyahu government doesn't like. I think that the accusation of antisemitism against the prosecutor of the International Criminal Court is completely not acceptable. The word anti-Semitic, it's too heavy, it's too important in order to use it on these occasions. And then there is the still more important is the ruling of the International Court of Justice, which is the core of the international justice, in order to act above the national level. Is at the core of the United Nations Charter. And here, again, we have to express not only respect, but to ask for the implementation of the decision of the court. And unhappily, what we have seen in the immediate hours is that Israel continues the military action that has been asked to stop. Also, Hamas is launching rockets against Israel, so both sides don't respect the ruling of the court. This morning, unhappily, more than 30 people have been killed in a refugees camp in an attack. This is really a dilemma. How the international community can make implementable, can force the implementation of the decision of International Criminal Justice, or not the International Court of Justice. Don't confuse the two of them. I suppose today we are going to discuss about it. Certainly that we will listen to the Arab partners, and the member states also will discuss about how to support the implementation of the two-state solution, and more urgent, how to deal with the situation in Gaza from a humanitarian point of view, and from the point of view of the implementation of this ruling of the ICC.